Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L S appearance in bright white. With adaptive cruise control and stop and go. S appearance package, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 6,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, power sliding doors, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 50019A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.